Hello, my friend. Today, I'm going to present a video on the conduction of the machine learning and UAV challenge. My video title is When Machine Learning Meets UAV Challenge. This video can be a good reference for novice researcher. My name is Yusuf, and I'm going to present this video. Okay, here you see the list of the outline. We start with introduction. We introduce 11 UAV challenge and discuss machine learning solution. Finally, we present conclusion and reference. Okay, introduction. Unmanned aerial vehicle or UAV are becoming indispensable in modern communication network, serving as key component in 5G. Let's stop here. As I discussed it in my previous video, UAV can help to realize 5G goals such as enhanced mobile broadband, ultra reliable and low latency communication, and massive machine type communication. And UAV are envisioned to drive 6G network. For example, they play a key role in a space air ground network and will have a critical role in 6G network. However, UAV face uh, intricate challenge that demand machine learning solution. Okay, let's clarify why we need machine learning solution for UAV. As you know, we use machine learning solution in two situations when there is no mathematical model of the environment. That is the case for UAV. We have a dynamic environment and there is no mathematical model. And the second reason is that available solutions are mostly NP hard, NP complete, and they are difficult to solve. So we have to use machine learning to approximate solution. Okay, this is why we need to use machine learning for UAV. This article examines machine learning solution tailored to address the challenge and aim to guide researcher and PhD students in advancing UAV technology and its integration with machine learning. Okay, the first challenge is interference management. Imagine a UAV assisted sensor network. A team of UAV are flying over the ground and scheduling ground sensor. It is clear there is a co-channel interference between these UAV and because the traditional method depends on detailed channel information, we need to use machine learning solution to handle interference in UAV network. Okay, ML technique can learn and adapt to interference pattern, enabling efficient management without the need for explicit channel information. This is very critical. Without the need for explicit channel information, thus reducing overhead and improving the feasibility of interference mitigation in dynamic UAV environment. Okay, the second challenge is dedicated to energy. We have energy efficiency and power control. As you are aware, we have SOAP constraint in UAV size, weight, and power limitation in UAV. Energy is a scarce resource for UAV. We need to carefully optimize the energy to handle these limited resources. Various ML solutions have been proposed to exploit the network resource in a near optimal manner, aiming to minimize energy consumption effectively. Okay, as you know, various work in literature have emerged that address energy efficiency and power control using machine learning solution. Okay, the third challenge is channel modeling. We require ML for channel modeling in UAV. Why? Because accurately predicting channel behavior in wireless network is crucial, especially in highly mobile environment. Okay, we have a very highly mobile environment, highly dynamic environment, and it's critical for us to predict channel behavior. Suppose we have multiple UAV and some ground sensor. We want to optimize the trajectory. We need to model the channel because channel is very effective in trajectory design scenario. Okay, therefore we carefully need to predict the channel behavior in UAV scenario. Selecting appropriate channel model is essential for performance evaluation, network planning, and UAV trajectory design. Okay, various ML solutions have been proposed for predicting channel behavior and UAV receive signal strength. For example, method like support vector machine, KNN, linear regression, reinforcement learning, all of them have been used for predicting channel behavior. Okay, ML technique can assess wireless condition effectively without requiring the extensive data set. Okay, ML technique can assess wireless condition effectively without requiring the extensive data set that are used in measurement campaign. Okay, UAV detection. What does mean? UAV detection means identifying and tracking UAV. Imagine we have an airport and we want to prevent the entrance of unauthorized UAV to the airport environment. We need UAV detection to identify and track these UAV and prevent unauthorized access to the airport. Okay, ML is essential for UAV detection. Why? Because it enables accurate real-time identification of UAV specific RF signature. Okay, ML adapts to new data. Uh, it's clear. Handle diverse environment, reduce false positive, efficiently process large data set, and integrate well with existing system, ensuring a robust and reliable detection mechanism. Okay, collision avoidance. Imagine we have a UAV swarm. We have multiple UAV. They are flying. We need to avoid collision between this UAV. Also avoid collision with fixed object. Avoid collision with moving object. And this collision avoidance is very critical for the safe operation of the UAV. The best and the most practical approach that is available today is vision-based approach such as deep learning that can assist UAV in accurately perceiving their environment and navigating safely. As far as I know, for example, Skydio has some prototype that use machine learning for collision avoidance. Okay, spectrum management. ML is essential for UAV spectrum management because it enables accurate prediction of spectrum availability. Okay, accurate prediction of spectrum availability, dynamic adaptation of transmission parameter, efficient allocation of resource, interference mitigation, enhanced spectrum utilization, scalability, and reduced need for human intervention. Okay, you see that using machine learning for spectrum management has too many advantages. These ensure optimal and reliable UAV communication. Okay, data collection and scheduling. Data collection and scheduling is very critical for IoT device. They are sensing data, and we need UAV to collect their data to save their energy and enhance throughput. Usually, in UAV assisted sensor network, UAV assisted IoT, we have a very large state and action space. We have a large state and action space. We have parameters such as Q length, battery status, channel, and trajectory of the UAV. The state and action space is large, and UAV usually receive outdated data from the sensor. UAV doesn't receive real-time knowledge from sensor, and that's why we need use machine learning and deep reinforcement learning in such a scenario. Okay, by utilizing adaptive algorithms such as deep reinforcement learning, UAV can optimize data collection by continuously adjusting to real-time environment change. Okay, as you know, DRL is adaptive, is goal-oriented, and is very effective in dynamic scenarios such as UAV assisted sensor network, and also by utilizing adaptive algorithms such as DRL, UAV can select the best sensor based on the current condition. The current condition can be, as I mentioned, Q length, battery status, channel status, and the current trajectory, and making informed decision despite intermediate updates. This ensures efficient, reliable, and autonomous data collection operation, enhancing overall system performance. Okay, routing. The UAV enabled network are a new communication paradigm. They are characterized by high speed mobility and frequent topology modification. It is evident that we cannot use traditional routing protocol apply in ad hoc network in UAV network. We need to integrate machine learning with this routing protocol and the proposed solution for UAV. Okay, a promising approach that could improve this aspect, as I discussed, is to adopt ML in routing protocol, leading to autonomous network coordination and distributed user scheduling and data routing through dynamic path formation. When we use ML for routing, we enable UAV to become self-configure, self-healing, and self-optimized. This is all of the advantage that machine learning bring to the UAV network and routing. Okay, placement and path planning. Imagine a smart city. We have multiple UAV acting as aerial base station. These UAV first of all need to deploy themselves and find their optimal position, then do start their mission. And also, for example, when they want to move from point A to point B, they need to characterize the path and do path planning to find the best path for traveling. Okay, um, my friend, here for path planning, the state and action space is very large. We have infinite point for UAV trajectory, and we cannot use traditional approach. We need to use machine learning approach such as deep reinforcement learning to handle this large state and action space. Okay, in a nutshell, ML is indispensable for UAV placement and path planning and facilitate complex optimization tasks, support real-time adaptation to changing conditions, and enhance capability for detecting and responding to compliance. To non-compliance UAV in critical applications like public safety and security. Okay. As far as I know, as far as I am working, one of the best approach, the practical solution for realizing path planning and UAV placement is using machine learning solution using deep reinforcement learning. And that's why we use machine learning, because oh, we have a large data and action space, and available solutions are very complex. Okay, localization. ML is crucial for localization in UAV network, because while exact optimization technique can accurately solve localization problem, they often fall short in providing real-time calculation required for dynamic application. Okay, ML-based technique offer a compelling alternative by leveraging their ability to learn from data and adapt in real time. This capability allows them to provide near optimal localization solution swiftly and practically, meeting the stringent timing requirement of UAV operation. Okay, I think it's completely clear. By continuously learning from incoming sensor data and environment change, imagine a UAV assisted sensor network. By continuously learning from the sensor data and environmental change, ML enable UAV to localize themselves accurately and efficiently in dynamic and challenging environment. Okay. Security, I think nowadays the trend to use machine learning solution for realizing security in UAV network. For example, one of the famous attack in UAV network is GPS spoofing. Attacker send a high power signal to the UAV, and UAV believe it as a main source, and attacker take control of the UAV. The best approach for dealing with such attack is using machine learning solution, for example, deep learning solution, deep reinforcement learning solution. Also, jamming attack are very common in UAV, and nowadays machine learning counterpart are proposed to face with this attack. Okay, conclusion. Integrating ML solution into UAV enabled communication network is is crucial for overcoming the challenge discussed. This challenge underscores the need for continual innovation and research across various layers of the OSI reference model, from physical to application layer. Okay, the challenge that I discussed in this video are placed in different layers of the OSI model. Researcher and PhD student, master student can utilize this comprehensive overview to delve deeper into these critical areas, driving forward advancement that will shape the future of UAV-enabled communication system. Okay, this is the reference, my article in Medium. Please also try to check uh, this reference. You will find comprehensive guide on the topic in this reference. Also, please follow me on Medium. And thank you very much for listening and watching this video. If you learned something from this video, I appreciate to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.